Hello and welcome to part 2 of the Using Google Docs assignment video. We're going to pick up right where we left off in part 1, which is on number 4. We just underlined sentence 3. This one says to make it bold and larger font or bigger font. So remember, left click, hold down, drag over to select it. Bold is the B up here. You can click that to make it bold, or you can even use Control on your keyboard by holding it down and then pressing B while you're holding down Control like it shows you there in that shortcut. The shortcut means you can do it without having to move your mouse and click. You can just use the keyboard. It also says to make it bigger, so we're going to do the drop down again and change the font size to something larger. Any number larger is fine. This one says to change the color. So again, click and highlight. To change the color, we go up next to the underline and select text color. Choose any color you like. This one, as you can see, is really hard to read on your screen. So you might want to try different colors until you find one that's easy to read. You can also change just one word in the sentence color if you highlight just that word. Highlighting is going to be a skill and a tool that you use a lot, so we're getting a lot of practice with it on this assignment. Aligning to the center is done in one click of a button. You can also align to the right or the left, which is what the default is. Alignment is these set of options here. We're going to usually use left. Sometimes you want things in the center like this title up here. To do that, you highlight what you want centered, you click the center button, and it goes to the middle of the page for you. Insert an image here. If you were looking at the original video, you'll notice I changed this question. It originally said insert a shape. That's a tool you can use on Google Slides, but Google Docs does not have that option. However, they do have the cool feature of inserting an image. So to do this, you can either upload images you have on your computer already, or you can insert an image from the internet. There's the insert image tool right here, or you can use insert up here on this menu options. We're going to stick to the toolbar for today. So if you go to search the web, it will open a special Google image search right here in your doc. Now remember, Google Images is on the internet. There are lots of things on the internet, so you have to be very careful what you search for. So you can insert any kind of image you want, but remember, search for something that is going to be safe to see in school. So I typed in the word cute puppy because who doesn't love cute puppies? When you find a picture you like, you can simply click it, it'll select it, and then you can see the option here to click insert. And that picture is going to go into your document. However, like my picture, it might be huge. We don't want it to be this big. So we click it with those 4 arrows, and we see these little blue squares. These are resizing squares. You click those, hold down, and drag it. You'll notice that you see that blue shape changing sizes. That's how big my new picture is going to be. I'm going to make it pretty small, let go of my mouse, and now that image is right there in the middle of my sentence where that word image was, because I just highlighted the word image and then went to insert image. If you can't do this, if you don't want to search the internet for an image, you can skip number 7. It's not one you have to do, but it's a cool feature that Google Docs has. Copying and pasting is helpful when you see something in one place and you want to put it in another. One way to do this is to, again, highlight what you want to copy. You can go to edit and you can select copy, but you'll notice there's shortcuts for all of these. These are important shortcuts to use. Cut means it copies it and deletes it at the same time. Copy means it leaves the original there but makes an exact duplicate. And then paste takes whatever's on the clipboard, which is one file or one set of data on your computer at a time that is from either cutting or copying something. You can either use these shortcuts, you can also right click, you can go up to the edit menu. I'm going to right click and then left click the word copy. Then you click off of it and you can go right next to it. You might want to press your space bar to add a space, but you don't have to. Then you're going to right click again or use Control V or the edit menu to select paste. And now you have a duplicate of that sentence. Change this sentence for number 9 however you want. That's up to you. And then lastly, to put the sentence in italics, you select it, and that's this I up here. It will put it on a slight tilt. Thanks for watching this video. Go ahead and give this assignment a try, and I can't wait to see how it goes. Let me know if you have any questions in the private comments, and I look forward to seeing the assignments. Thank you, boys and girls. Keep up the great work.